Hey guys, Jared back again, and it is Monday, and it is rainy outside, or it's snowing outside. It's most likely not sunny wherever you are. So chances are you're probably going to want to know what the weather's like for the next couple of days and or today. And for some reason I have this fascination with weather apps. I don't know why, but I just do. And today we're going to be taking a look at notification weather. Now this has been featured on a couple of different websites, one of which actually being XDA Developers, the front page of XDA Developers. Now it only has 10,000 downloads, but I think that's because most weather apps that are new don't really get a whole lot of attention, and that's kind of where I come in to help you guys discover new, fun, fascinating applications and so on. So notification weather is a very, very simple application. It is free in the Play Store, believe it or not, so that's awesome. And the icon's very simple. You probably can't make it out there because of the awesome wallpaper I have in the background outshining the application. But anyways, if you launch it, it basically takes you right into the settings. I mean, there really isn't a whole lot to it. Now, when you download it, you have the option to update now, which, I do recommend you doing if it hasn't done it by itself already. You can enable or disable it, of course, which is, good to have. Auto detect is basically detecting your current location based on either your GPS or mobile data location-based services. And what I do like is that you can switch between using Celsius or metric, and obviously based on where your location is, it may just kind of automatically set it for you, which it did there for me. You also have the refresh interval. Now, you want to keep in mind that the more frequently you have it refresh, the more battery it's going to be using. Although today's day and age, it's not going to use really all that much battery. It does come standard at 2 hours or default at 2 hours. I like being updated every hour or so just to kind of stay current. And you do have, unfortunately, only two choices with weather providers. You have Yahoo Weather and Open Weather Map Beta, which is something I'm unfamiliar with, nor have I tested out. So I'm not really sure with that. I decided to keep with the tried and true method. So we've got Yahoo Weather selected there. Now you also have a 4-day forecast, which will display a 4-day forecast in your notification panel, as you can see there. And going on from there, you've got priority. Start at boot, rate this app, and donate if you wanted to. Now, what I'd also like is that you can change the notification icon. Now, you'll notice in the top left-hand corner, right next to my email icon, that it's got a little 7 symbol, and that's actually the current temperature outside. And if I wanted to, I can actually change that to what the current condition outside is like. Unfortunately, unless I guess it might take a little while to sort of learn what the different icons mean. This one's obviously meaning like, oh shoot, I don't know, sunny and cloudy outside. So it's gonna take a little bit of getting used to. However, I think you can probably learn based on the main visuals here in the notification area. So you'll notice right there that it's got kind of like sunny or partly sunny and cloudy. Partly sunny and cloudy, I guess, or it says mostly cloudy, as you can see there, but it does again shows your location. So I'm in Saanich, Victoria, Vancouver Island, BC, Canada. If you guys are wondering, Google it. It's an awesome place to come and visit. You've got your temperature, the wind, 3 kilometers an hour, mostly cloudy as of 1:59 p.m. So it obviously tells you when the last time it did a refresh was. And of course, underneath that, it gives you the 4-day forecast, which you can enable or disable if you want, which is also a nice feature. Maybe you don't want it to take up as much notification or space in your notification panel with that. So you can have that removed. So it's got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which is great. Very simple. I like the theming of it, just black and white, nice and simple. You all know I love simplicity. So anyways, it's free, it's useful, it's accurate, and it's somewhat customizable. I definitely recommend you guys go download it. It's a great addition to your notification panel, and it's free, which is awesome. So that's it. I'll be posting a link in the description below, like I mentioned before, so you guys can go download it. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.